Alright, after about 10 years of using this wind tunnel, see my other video about doing the belt and the filter, this wheel's acting up. It's wearing, the plastic's actually broken. The belt is not disengaging properly anymore, so it's about reaching the end of its service life. I might play around with it, see if I could resurrect it a little bit, just to spare it from the trash. But in the meantime, I have picked up another one. Basically, next generation, newer model, and I figured I'd take you along for the, well, it's already unboxed, but we'll put it together just so you can see what it takes. It's actually not too bad. You got a handle, the main part, the filter setup, and then a couple of accessories. So, I'm going to take a look. First thing we're going to do, you're going to take this screw out. Drop the handle in. Don't over tighten. You don't want to strip it, it's just plastic. So usually what I do is I hold it kind of loose and just give it a nudge. Oh, it's going to loop around. Oh, it's going to loop around here. Accessory, actually, hold on, bring it to the picture, accessory, and then this is your clean out. Pop that open, dump it out. Do check before you put this together, make sure this gasket is intact. I saw another one of these purchased, and this was like all wrinkled, and so that could impede your seal. So, see that there? That should be nice and flat on there. And that's it. This one actually has the retractable cord. And we'll just pull this out. And let's give it a shot. Alright, not bad. So, this guy will go into action, see what I can do with that one, keep you posted if I get adventurous with it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next video, see you later.